Hi, this is Jeffrey Kurt Financial Group, and today is Monday, September 16, 2024. This week, on the look ahead, it's all about the Fed interest rate decision. I'll come back to that in a second. Some of the other economic news this week: retail sales is tomorrow on Tuesday, and that's a pretty important number given that last month's retail sales surprised to the upside. So there'll be some eyes on this week. And, this is lower than maybe 6 months ago, but, see what the direction if it's troughing and then starts to move up. A couple other things: building permits on Wednesday, Philly manufacturing index, and August existing sales also on Thursday, those two on Thursday. But again, on Wednesday afternoon, the Federal Reserve will cut interest rates. The debate is over whether it's 25 basis points or 0.25% or 50 basis points or 0.5%. For what it's worth, I saw a headline this morning that Elizabeth Warren from Massachusetts is calling for a 75 basis point cut. Not sure the logic or the basis for that, but it's out there. And I think this just points to the strong debate whether it's going to be 25 or whether it's going to be 50, and also the implications of that. And then on top of that, the market reaction to this. So, why would the Fed cut 50 basis points? That's part of the discussion. And then, the Wall Street saying, hey, it's going to help everything if you do 50 basis points. I don't think that, 50 basis points cut is within a vacuum. It has, implications and impacts a lot of different things. One is the dollar. The dollar's been weak. I haven't mentioned that, but the dollar's been pretty weak, and the yen's been strengthening, which is, can be a problem at some point in terms of international trade. I think another thing that's interesting, is interest rates have been going lower, in the marketplace in anticipation of the cut. But also, there's been chatter about the lower interest rates indicating and forecasting a slower economy, and that may be what's going on too. And then finally, I want to mention that I think there's been a change of leadership within the stock market. Nvidia and Apple have been struggling. Apple down pretty big today on an analyst downgrade or concerns about slowing growth. And again, these Mag 7 stocks are not cheap relative to fundamentals. Not that that matters sometimes, but when the regime changes and there's change in either the economy or the fundamentals of the market, valuations can play a role and maybe as an obstacle headwind to these growth stocks. So I'll be back on Wednesday before the Fed announcement with some more updates. Thank you for listening. Talk to you later. Bye.